Ani? Said mo just ko alin ang ginainom? Said mo just ko alin ang ginainom? 1 liter nga royal. You cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. Richin. Nicole, you cannot stop me. Gian, you cannot stop me. It's too late. Nagainom mo na ko.
Wait lang.
Jess, wag ka magdunlan na. Kasi may mag-pop up nga jump scare agad.
Magkaon ng mamon ako doon.
Magkaon yun habang gampang.
Nay? Ako sa Century 2 na. Ano?
Parang manakot narinig ang audio. What's happening? Welcome to my room. My name is Adela. This is me and my mama.
What ako word.
Mga nangan pagbasi mo.
Late baka ako.
We were out in the woods one day playing with squirrels. But then mama was swallowed up whole by the earth.
Kaon na ako. Wala na ako food.
And now I am all alone. I must find her. Whatever she is, she needs to be okay. Something is about to happen. Is it a jump scare? Malevolent. Uh-oh. Wow, ang ganda ng graphics. Just you there? Hello? Oh, the sunlight. Wala palang sunlight. It's pure darkness. What's this? Tararararan. 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 Tan 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 tararararan. Tan tan tararararan. Tan. Oh my god. Hanapa ako, Jess. Come look for me.
Pati mo ako.
Look for me. Jess! Do not leave me, Jess! Balik! You must find me.
Rinig mo ako.
Yes. Sin ako, Jess. You must find me. You must find me, Jess. I miss Mama dearly. Oh, God. Jess, okay lang ba yung mic mo, Jess? Where are you, Jess? Where are you? The sun has not risen since the night she vanished. Jess, you left me. Singkating nangabot. Oh my God, Jess, you left me. Now I'm starting to hear strange sounds below the floor. No, bad idea. Something is calling for me. Jess, you left me. Why? You left me. I saw that. You ceased. Nagtago ako sa puno.
Oh no.
Whoa, what's this? Is this a house? Kung di mo makita, just I think medyo taas at konting brightness. Yung taas kong brightness eh. Medyo. Bukat full. Medyo lang. Medj. What did I... Mama na. Oh, hello. There's an enter. Alayaw ta ko. Kawo ra. Ay just nga kawo. Hello? There's no candle. The volume is jiggling. I don't know what that is. Oh, aron. Naga-gibberish. Okay ka lang, Jess? Oh. Are you good, Jess? Yung phone mo, is it good? Won't budge.
What objective?
Wala pero ara may yellow nga gold. I found the key. Kung nakita kang yellow, I think rin the object.
Ano lang?
Good.
Wait, jump.
What did you do? What did you do? Won't budge. I think so different. Ano ra? Oh! You go first. What's that? Ay? Whoa! May crowbar ka din. I cannot see things.
Crowbar.
Cannot see things.
Iyo.
Oh. Balik kita ito sa idom nga ano nga door. Oh, you go first, Jess. I'm scared. Oh. Oh, okay. What is this? Jess, wag mo ko iwanan, Jess, ah. Gamitin natin na tong crowbar. May crowbar ka pa ba? Oh, gus. Jess, gapangurog ta akong. Gapangurog ta tenga. Oh, pick up the key, please. Please. Go na, Jess. Ladies first. Ikaw na. Gamitin crowbar.
Bakit crowbar yun?
Uh-oh. Just, hello? Gina-follow ko yung name tag.
Naka-full.
What's happening, Jess? You're on the front. You're gonna digest. I'm telling you. You're gonna digest. Oo, nakagit sa door.
Ara ako, may astig sa akong
Just screen record ka?
Lilit ang ano.
Yes, may candle na tayo, finally. Ah. Follow the path. Yay! May candle na tayo. No more struggling. Nished.
Wait lang. Ano lang?
I'm waiting. Ang ganda ng ano ko alin the flower. Grabe the texture, it mushroom. Wow. Enable na yung candle. You can see the darkness. At may sprint button, tagalikitawan ako na-noticed. I cannot believe my eyes. What is this place? Face snatchers. Oh no, may face snatchers. This way, do not trust other signs. Mannington demons, saint and sage, riches, happiness.
Walang basa.
Saan tayo pupunta, Jess?
Ano daw ko kayo mo?
Jess,
Wait
Jess, alin na tumuga to?
What man ba?
Certain dead treasure. Danger. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tago ako, Jess. Go here. This way. Cannot read that one. Alive. Chest?
Ay, mo ka nagpaan na uyo tang.
Ay, wait. Just sin away. Sin. Left or right?
Di mo ko kita ay.
Yes, kita ko ikaw. Sin kita. Di kara or di kara? Sure ka kara?
Bukol.
I'm scared, Jess. My face snatcher pa man. Find a cog to fix the clog. The clock. Sa piyak, I think. Sa piyak na way. Diretso? Oh, what's this? Hello? Whoa, what's this? Jess, I'm scared. Bako nila nga may mag-snatch ang itsura.
Na, ano lag.
Oh, hello, Jess. You're still alive. Alive.
Kuha ko na.
Saan ba yung clock?
Diyan ang gulat kayo mo.
I'm here. We came back.
Ay, mali ako.
Jess, natlo ako. Ayaw kong yung face ko ay mas snatched. The saying. Oh.
Ew. Yeah.
Anong dila ron?
Ako niyan.
God, Jess.
Unan da.
I-follow mo the light sa screen. Kita mo, Jess.
Disco.
Let's go. Ayoko. Ang face mas snatched. Aray. Yung sampal ako't pintuan. Wala, what skip? I may skip man gali ah. Di ako mag-skip para hindi mag-lag or maano. O mas-skip man kaya ako. Nag-skip ka? Skip man ako ah. Hala, Jess, may inventory na tayo. And I cannot see anything. May gagalaw, Jess oh. Ano sa walls? Kita mo ron?
No.
You don't see it? Oh my god. What is that?
Ang ganda ko.
Mm.
Habit duwag.
What's this? I feel...
Yung nag-get yung likod.
What? Nakita mo the jacket ko, Jess?
Wala.
Ay, the same sa imo nga in real life jacket nga puti. Oh! Ikaw, Jess, una, nadlok ako.
Yeah, ko ah. You play kita doors?
No. We're not playing doors. Uh-oh.
Abong doors.
Hara, Jess, oh. Oh God, kita mo, Jess, sa, ano, sa, ring, God, sa window. Kita mo ron?
Kita mo siya, oh.
No? What's happening?
Oh no. Oh no.
Adela, Jess, I'm scared. At every waking moment, my torment soul. I'm sorry, my dear child, for I cannot protect you. What? You must protect us. We're your child. Save your mother.
Mother.
Let her die. I would prefer to go back. Nope. Jess, I cannot see you. I'm scared. Oh, good. I get in. Hara do pinto ano, harang nakita. I'm scared for my life. This one. Aray. Hala, may candle na naman tayo. Doon nakabotang ay save your mother ko, no? Dali ang hinahin ko, grabe the volume. Karon, 3 lang. Saktuhan. Oo, may sprint tayo, Jess. What's that? Ay, it's a web. Jess, protect me, Jess, I'm scared. Super bilis ng sprint natin, Jess. Gus. I'm hearing whispers, Jess.
Ano, di ko makontrol.
Ako manyani. This is activity. If something bad happened, just press mo to sprint and then run for it. Do not stop. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
Gabi na natin to.
Ah, tago, just I'm scared.
Hi, ano ka na?
Shh. I'm hearing things. Hindi yung glitchy mga audio. Basta minirinig ako. Parang paparating. Aron? Just? Tago ko sa plant.
I don't hide yun.
Okay, you go first.
Hindi ako iwan.
Uh-oh.
Hindi ako iwan, ha?
Oo, Jess. Ay, wait, ako sa front. My goodness, she looks just like me.
Yeah, napakita ka akong animation.
Yes.
Okay, why?
Kita man niya kakon. Alam mo, Jess, oh. Ang long ng hair niya. Big smiley face.
Ako ron?
Si malevolent.
Ako yan?
No, rescue the trapped wanderers and they will show you the way. Which one? I don't see it. No, huwag mo sabihin. I-encounter natin imaw. No, pag-suggest the door. I-save natin the wanderers. Open doors. Oh my god, Jess, haro ni Ma. Oh my god. This is the... Nag-walk around. I see its shadows.
Bagong doors.
I'm scared for my life. May taguan ba? Walay. Walang taguan.
Hindi kita mag-iwalay.
Just, iya ako sa likod. Wah, alin to?
Ikaw.
Making open ka, wa man.
I-open. Sabay kita open.
I fear for my life. Oh my god! Ito ba yun? How do we rescue you, sir? How did you do that?
Wag man.
What's this? Oh my god, I did not do that. Jess. Jess! Oh no. Keep it open, just. Jess? 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 Jess! I am good!
Bad. Where are you, bad? Wait lang.
I'm scared. Okay, count na ni Jess. Ano, imong energy? Oh my god. Oh, ang bilis niya. Why did you open? Why did you do that? Okay, we need a hiding spot. Just run. Sprint for your life. Just! The door is pointless. I'm telling you. The door is pointless.
Doon.
Oh my god, just. Ang bilis pa man niya magtikang. Or magdagan. Harang the Wanderer? Save mo, just.
Hindi na paran.
What the? What?
Apat sila.
Yes. Jess, wala tayong hiding spot. I repeat, wala tayong hiding spot. I repeat.
Ano po? Wala yan.
What? Hindi ka ba scared? Because I'm scared.
At
Okay, I'm gonna chill.
ay, doon na. Let's go.
Where?
Di ba gubusay mo sprint?
Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna look back.
Kulang ito isa.
I'm scared for my life. I'm hearing things. Don't worry, Jessie. Ako sing likod. Totally. I'm not leaving. Oh look, there's a hiding spot.
Run.
Jess!
Juna, run.
I died. Oh no. I came back. No, this is bad. No. Jess, you left me.
Nakahide ako.
What about me? Kung mamatay ka, babalik ka sa respawn point. Which is bad. Oh my god, rin mo. Paano kung sa piyak tagal yung mga door? Sa piyak na door do, the last survivor.
Kapta ko na.
I left.
Tingnan.
I'm hiding. Sa piyak na door. Yung itong libuksan, di ba may mga door sa, sa lobby. Sa piyak ako nga door, tapos nagdiretso. Oh my god. Haray mo. Sa piyak na door. Pila lang, Jess, nga, no? Nga Wanderer.
Isa lang ata.
Haray mo. Oye mo kakon. Okay, umalis na siya. Hanapan lang just the Wanderer. I'll be fine.
Dita ka ba?
Ha? Oh, never mind. Gabalik mo.
Ay, nang Philippine balag. Ano, di ako kaliso. GPT. Alin to, gago?
I'm just trying to survive, Jess. I'm squared.
May mouse?
I don't know. Sa left
Hindi mo
side.
kako?
I think sa left side mo.
Hindi mo
trying.
kako?
Okay. I'm trying to look for the wanderer. Sa piyak nga side.
Hindi mo ka?
Okay.
Hindi ako wonder.
Ha?
Hindi ako.
Okay. Oh, last one na lang, Jess.
Akala ko nabuhian ka eh, tatlo lang.
I'm scared for my dear life. Okay, I'll make a run for it. Don't worry, I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Please, how do I save you? Paano ko i-save? Di ako marunong, Jess. Ayara. The door has revealed. Where? Which door? I'm scared. Eto, kita ko. I'll make a run for it. Jess? He's still alive?
Yeah.
Oh god! I died.